Hello and welcome to another travel vlog. Today I'll be getting the diverted Avanti service to Carlisle via the Settle-Carlisle line. There it is.
Blackburn again.
Yep.
We're blind then. We get the right coach.
We don't really work.
This is quite a historic station, this. Yeah. Yeah, you saw the train spotters at the station.
Still looks good.
Oh, you saw the house over there, didn't you? Yeah. Settle. cliffs over there.
Oh, I see you.
Yeah, the views are nice, aren't they?
The old railway tracks are smart and hard.
Service terminates 36 minutes behind schedule. Apologies for this. You are entitled to compensation. Go to the
Not any but some.
And we finally arrived. And we'll spend some time in Carlisle before heading back. So see you all in the next video.